What is time? How do we define this elusive thing we call time? We've, generally, been taught that time is like a river, flowing endlessly in one direction. We are caught up in its current and can only proceed downstream within its rushing waters. This river of time that we're stuck in, however, flows as a river not because of the water, but because of the banks that are holding the water in place. If we were to remove those banks, time would spill out in all directions, flooding the plains until it came to a standstill and was simply just ever present. We would no longer be rushing downstream with it, but would be able to easily wade through those waters to any point we'd wish. What those banks are and what the mechanism is that's holding them in place, we don't know, but they control the flow. Although this is a nice analogy, and perhaps it gets the reader thinking a little, I don't generally regard time as a river at all. Time doesn't really exist after all. Time is merely a human construct to describe our reality and to bring some order to this world in which we live. What we describe as time helps us to differentiate the seasonal changes of our planet, to help us know when it's appropriate to plant and harvest crops, and to help us get to the office at the right moment so we don't upset our supervisors at work. The river of time, however, doesn't really exist. It's just an idea we've put forth to keep track of our experience in what is really the fourth dimension. There are many who believe that all time, past, present, and future, are all happening concurrently, each moment resonating at a different frequency. Just weeks before his death in 1955, the famed theoretical physicist Albert Einstein wrote, quote, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." Unquote. For thousands of years, ancient cultures discussed the illusionary nature of this world, and that the universe as we know it is not as it seems. There are other dimensions and planes of existence that surround us, which we don't usually experience with our limited human senses. Some of these we're able to measure with instrumentation, such as different wavelengths of light and sound. Others we're still discovering.